Okay, so good morning, Gideon. How are you?
Good morning, Gal. I'm great. Thank
I'm great, sort of, because lately I had some conversation with our customers regarding security, and I have to say some of those conversations left me kind of confused regarding endpoint security. So I was talking to them about Defender ATP, and I know you as our security guy, maybe you can shed some light on that topic.
Yeah. So first, Microsoft rebrand Microsoft Defender ATP, and now it's called Microsoft Defender for Endpoint.
Oh, great, a
Yeah.
rebranding again.
Yeah. So basically, Defender for Endpoint is an EDR solution. It provides us detection and response capabilities and advanced attack detections that are near real time. It collects a lot of insights in the data, like network activities and login activities, and much more process information and relevant information.
Okay.
So let's jump into our demo.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So today I would like to talk about two main features. Feature called web content filtering, and this will allow us to block categories, for example, social networking, social media sites. In case you want to block, for example, Facebook, we would like to use this policy, and let's see how can we accomplish that.
So it is installed on the end user device, basically. So it's something
Yeah.
that would, okay, yeah.
So in our demo, we can see here a policy that talks about social networking. And for this example, we blocked all the categories that are under social networking sites. After we creating this policy, it allows us to see if user devices and users tried to access those sites and, of course, block it. So in our report details, we can see here that there is a policy called social networking, and if we can go inside, we can see here that there is a trend networking, and we can see here that all the data, that all of the activities that were blocked, and the domain and top domains sites. In our example, as I've mentioned, we are talking about Facebook. There are 10 requests that were blocked. We can see here the devices which try to log into those sites, and the social policy that called Facebook.
Oh, can we add, by the way, to this site list, or Microsoft maintains it?
We can add custom domain sites, but basically all of those categories are filtered and indexed by Microsoft.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we don't have to take care of, like, there's a new social media site pops up and we have to keep tracks on it. So Microsoft does it for us.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So the second feature that I would like to demonstrate, called indicators. Indicators allow us to filter and block specific categories like IPs, URLs, and even certificates.
Mm-hmm.
When we create an indicator, we just need to put a URL. After that, we can see how blocking this URL will reflect our devices and our users. There is an interesting feature called statistics, and if we go there, we can see those statistics about all of our user history, browser history, and how this will reflect those URLs.
So it's like a dry run, like
Yeah.
doing a dry run, yeah.
So now we can see that my URL, of course, won't block anything. Yeah. And after that, we can create sample of response actions. We can allow, we can alert and block, or we just want to alert in case you want to check and audit this rule. We give a title and description, and of course a scope, which devices will enforce this policy, and that's it.